me 1 minute. Here. Yeah, so guys, tell us what you liked, what you did not like. Tell us what you think is going to happen in the future in 5 years' time. Right now, we do understand that it is not at the level that, you could automate everything. But in 5 years' time, imagine क्या होने वाला है. तो if you know कि अगर होने वाला है तो अभी से preparation start करो कि
Do you
5
want me
साल
to give
बाद
some timelines? I can give some timelines. Like,
बताओ.
I think MCP will be hugely adopted into workflows, and it will be automating a lot of debugging work in the next 2 years to the level कि you will probably not.
Should we do MCP का एक standalone podcast? Is it worth like होगा वो?
I think we can do MCP and the DLLMs wale. We can probably do that.
Okay.
So,
Let's do it on Thursday only. It's
Sure,
easy,
sure.
easy on me.
So that one I think will be done in 2 years. In 5 years, we are seeing massive adoption of these things in freelancing and other individual.
In 5
work.
years, you'll be living in science fiction, guys.
5 years में it's like going to be massive changes होने वाले हैं यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
And
It's simple, right?
In 10 years, we have no.
And here's the thing, right? If वो बोलते हैं ना लोग, if physics allows it, or let's say if science allows it,
Then it's possible.
it will get it. People will get it done. Engineers will get it done.
We are going into the world ना जहाँ पे क्या नहीं आ रहा है. We are developing quantum computers and stuff. Like quantum computers can, if they actually work the way they do, and the thing is that the hypothesis is that having a quantum computer can basically allow you to train AIs faster and much more efficiently. Because when you train a model, what essentially happens is you put an input data. There's a bunch of nodes and stuff जो neural network है. There's an output. When you train the AI, you have to tell him कि ये input के लिए ये output होगा. You adjust your nodes accordingly. So it's like a backward propagation of वो चलता है, of the thing. Like manually it has to adjust stuff just so that for this input it can get this output, right? A quantum computer, it does not exist at that scale to pull this off. But if it does, can just do that backwards propagation almost instantly.
Right.
Instantly fine tune it to the right जो भी configuration होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
So you don't really need like data centers of GPU. You just need a very good quantum computer. It can do all the training for you.
Yeah.
And it can do much faster and much better, right? So
Yeah. Quantum computers.
We have no idea what is going to
इस
happen.
decade के end तक आएगा.
Yeah, we have no idea what's going to happen in the next 10 years. Yeah, seriously, we have no idea.
Yeah. It's gonna be crazy. But as long as you keep skill stacking, I think कुछ ना कुछ तो काम आ ही जाएगा यार. अगर सब लोग के पास काम नहीं है मतलब
सब लोग मरेंगे.
सब लोग मरेंगे वैसा तो नहीं होगा लेकिन या मतलब just focus on yourself, guys. And yeah, with that we've come to the end of this podcast. Like it, share it, and subscribe, and tell us what else you would want us to talk about, what else you want us to do, and go check out our previous videos.
Yeah. We have talked about a lot of stuff there, and we're just pulling stuff from there too.
Yeah. So a lot of the things that you maybe are not able to connect, go back and watch our previous videos in the same context. Let's say तो माया और आना वाला देख सकते हो. It was a good one. Okay, so with that, over and out, guys. We'll see you in the next episode. Hope you had fun. Bye bye. See ya. Take care and good night.